In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create an instance in Oracle AI Data Platform. Oracle AI Data Platform is a secure, unified platform for integrating data from multiple sources and applying AI and analytics at scale. In this scenario, I need to create a new Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench instance to have access to a dedicated, secure workspace for my data and analytics projects. Each Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench provides a separate environment where I can ingest data, run AI and analytics workflows, and manage resources without affecting other projects or data. From the home page, I'll click on the navigator and choose Analytics and AI. I'll then open AI Data Platform. To create an AI Data Platform Workbench, I must have OCI IAM permissions. Because I do, the Create AI Data Platform option is enabled. If it was disabled, I would need to contact my system administrator to review and grant the necessary OCI IAM permissions. Now I need to select the correct compartment. Compartments are similar to folders. They separate and organize resources like instances, data, and users. I'll select the AIDP compartment and then enable the AI Data Platform. Once the platform is created, I'll name it AIDP. I will also need to name the workspace. Next, I need to choose my policies. Policies determine the scope of access that Oracle AI Data Platform is granted. Tighter security boundaries can be achieved by selecting compartment-level policy. I'll choose Standard, which provides essential access with minimal customization. This policy is common for straightforward use cases or proof-of-concept environments. If the required policies for the standard access level are missing, you will see an option to add them. Then click Create. If I do not have permission to create an IAM policy, I need to contact my system administrator and have them add it. A pop-up will display indicating my request was successfully submitted. Once the request has been processed, I can access my new Oracle AI Data Platform Workbench instance. Now that I have created a new instance, I can start securely bringing in data and building AI-powered analytics projects within my own dedicated workspace. Find more videos in this series and additional resources on using Oracle's AI Data Platform in the links below.